So here we have the Volkswagen Polo on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 50,101. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer currently being displayed. I say currently because you can change that information for various bits of trip computer, kind of driving data, and there are other menus available to you as well. And you can go round in a circle, back round to the driving data menu that we started on. And the buttons that you use to do that are just here. We've got stereo controls underneath that, which continue on the left-hand side, along with cruise control. And then in the center, you'll find the main stereo itself. Above that, first of all, we can turn our parking sensors on and off from here, and you get a visual guide to the sensors, both front and rear, as well as, of course, the audible beeps that you will get as well. We've got our hazard warning lights, rear heated screen, and this button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when that light is turned on. So below that, we then have the touchscreen. We have a few physical buttons down the right and left-hand sides, as you can see. So, for example, we are on the radio menu at the moment. This car has got DAB, FM, and AM radio available. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button. And again, down in the bottom left-hand corner for the different ways in which you can listen to music. And they include Bluetooth audio. So once you pair your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and also stream your music wirelessly as well. And of course, you've got the other methods that you can see on the screen there. Hit the phone button and then find telephone to pair your phone up, and then just follow the instructions on screen from there. Working our way down from that, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so that'll turn it off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you set over on the left-hand side. We have some storage, 2 cup holders, along with auxiliary input, USB input, and a 12-volt charging socket as well. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.